So I just want to give you guys a quick insight into my daily routine. Typically when I get up in the morning, I come down here, I make me a cup of coffee, and I hit the gym. And that's usually about 5, 6 a.m. in the morning. And then when I get back, I get myself prepared to head down to the office to get ready for the market. So let's go ahead and head down. And here is where the magic happens, ladies and gentlemen. So this is my office. All right, as you can see, I have the 45-inch LG OLED monitor. This actually just came out this year, and this is a beautiful monitor. I really love everything about this monitor. And then I have another monitor on the side over here, primarily just for like static pages or windows that I don't want left on the screen to reduce the risk for burn-in. But yeah, I mean, this monitor right here is just beautiful. I don't think the video does it justice. I also, from time to time, game on the monitor with my console. I don't have a gaming PC to take advantage of the ultra-wide aspect ratio for this monitor, but it gets the job done. So yeah, just beautiful. I have a standing desk. I don't know the brand of it, but it gets the job done. As you can see, I have everything mounted to the desk, from the mic, the camera, the ring light, the actual monitor itself. And then I have everything ran through this cable management box here underneath the desk to keep everything as nice and tidy as possible. And then I also have the Mac Mini that's mounted underneath the desk as well. So if I need to stand this bad boy up, I can do so without the cord stretching. The only cord that runs to the ground is the power cable for the power strip. So here's actually the exact monitor here if you guys wanted to look into it. It's a pretty dope monitor. I'd say check it out. I actually did buy the Samsung originally, and ended up going with the LG. I might do a separate video on the Samsung by itself so that you guys can get my thoughts on that from a trader's perspective. But yeah, again, I can't say enough. This monitor is just phenomenal. Beautiful. Over here is the bookshelf. You can see the Rick and Morty themed portrait of me and my wife. Some books. Here is the old monitor setup that I used to use, right? Another LG Ultra Gear and the studio display. Ended up switching just because I didn't like the inability to use the PlayStation on the studio display. I mean, this is primarily for office, right? So I wanted something that was more versatile, that could be used for gaming and for office. So I have my whiteboard here, and on this side of the office is purely entertainment. So nothing special about the couches. You see I got the tables in the middle. This here is the main attraction in the room. This is a 77-inch LG OLED wallpaper TV. Okay. This TV is flush against the wall. It's thinner than the phone in my hand right now. I love that TV. So yeah, this room right here is definitely for movie nights. I'll probably end up trying to implement some sort of surround sound system outside of the sound bar that came with the TV. It does really well, but I think I want a little more immersiveness when I'm watching movies down here. Then over here, we got our snack bar. And it's also where I keep some of my Switch games, which I haven't played in a while, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour of the office. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.